Time is up. This is what 5 minutes does for you. You tried. What's up, everyone? It's Linda back again with another video. So as you can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm actually pretty confident that I can do this because I seem to have perfected the quick running late for work, just walk out the house, quick makeup. We're gonna put my skills to the test and see just how great I can accomplish a 5-minute makeup look. I don't really have a game plan to the type of look I want to do, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm gonna set a 5-minute timer on my phone, and then once I hear the beep, time's up. So wish me luck, and let's get this started. I'm so nervous. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay. I don't really have a game plan. So I'm gonna start with moisturizer. This is hyaluronic acid. It has been by far the best moisturizer for my face, especially because I have combination skin. So it doesn't leave my oily spots too oily, and it definitely hydrates all my dry spots. So hyaluronic acid has been a staple for my face. I'm not gonna go with primer. I just wanna be as quick as possible. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna grab some foundation. Like I said, I don't have a game plan. And I'm gonna try to avoid looking at the timer because I really just wanna not scare myself. So, and I'm gonna try to look at the camera and not down to avoid, I guess, cheating. I wanna be as surprised as possible. So this is kind of the strategy that I take when, like I said, I need to just walk out the door because I'm running late, or I want to not look dead if I'm going to the store or something and I just need to do a wham bam quick makeup. And obviously in those situations I don't bother with primer, like if I have to go to the grocery store, because you know, like, who needs it? And I don't know, sometimes I think primer is not necessary. I have this theory that it's just a waste of money. I mean, I've had good primers, but nothing that is like life altering where I feel like, oh my god, my makeup is terrible without it, you know? Anyway. Alright, we're doing that. Bronzer, bronzer, bronzer. I love bronzer. I live for bronzer. I just need it to look alive. And I don't have a method for bronzer. I just kind of put it all over my face. When I'm running late, I don't do contour. I do a bronzer all over because it's the what is this? Physicians Formula, my favorite. Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do my Old Lady powder because it's the best powder, Airspun. I'm not baking. I just kind of, I mean, this is the powder I like to use for baking, but for quick, I use it as a press powder. And then I just wipe it away really quickly because I don't got time to bake. Ooh, face, face, face. Contour, contour, contour. I guess I kind of cheated because I laid all my stuff out and like had everything open. So I don't know if that counts, but that's the only way I can succeed at this. Now doing blush. Okay. And then I just kind of blend it with the powder brush. So normally when I do my makeup, I start with brows first, but when I'm doing the quick, I start with face first. I don't know why, that's just what I do. Okay, doing a pomade. Quick, quick, quick. I'm probably not gonna have time to clean up the brows, so I'm just gonna work my magic and hope they come out great. I find that sometimes the quick makeup actually comes out better than when you know, have the time to do an hour-long makeup. At least for me, sometimes that happens and I'm like, damn, how come my eyebrows can't come out this good when I have an hour? And I'll just do the quick. Okay. I'm not mad at these. Obviously, I like a nice clean brow with the whole concealer look, but I'm not mad at this. Okay. And eyeshadow, eyeshadow, eyeshadow. Oh my god. I didn't mean to pick this color. Look at that. This is ridiculous. No. So my time is up. Okay, so it's safe to say 5 minutes is not enough time. Damn, that felt way too quick. Was that really 5 minutes? So I got the face and I got some brows. Didn't get to finish the eyes. Didn't get to do lips. Thankfully, anytime you go out, we're wearing a mask anyway, so is this a decent look to go out? Would I go out like this? I probably would. I don't think it's a complete fail. I probably would go out like this. Maybe put a little mascara. Oh well. Please let me know in the comments if you thought this was a pass or fail. I don't think it's terrible, but it's just incomplete. But it's not like embarrassing incomplete. It's like a decent incomplete. I wish I had more time. Let me know in the comments what you think of my look. And as always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell so that you can get notifications on when I upload new videos. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please be kind in the comments. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and were a little entertained. Let me know if you can do a 5-minute makeup and try to time yourself and let me know if it was able to be done. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.